Okay, you've just purchased a home. Congratulations. For most people, this is one of the largest investments of their lifetime. A home can last for many years, but like a vehicle, it requires maintenance to do so. A vehicle these days can easily go for 160,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles if serviced and maintained properly. And a house can easily last for 75 to 100 years if serviced and maintained properly. So stay tuned and we'll look at some of the common mistakes that homeowners make in regards to maintaining their home. You may be surprised by these mistakes. Hi, this is Bruce here again from Homes and Life, here to help you learn more about topics that affect your life, like real estate, RVs, outdoor activities, and more. And welcome to the new subscribers, and thanks to you existing subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you click the subscribe and thumbs up buttons down below. So home maintenance can be divided into two main categories: preventative maintenance and routine maintenance. There is some crossover, but preventative maintenance is often more to do with servicing the appliances, while routine maintenance is regular maintenance all around the home that's done to help ensure that there isn't a problem. If you can stay on top of maintenance, you'll have less stress, because a lack of maintenance leads to problems, which often leads to expensive repairs. And in addition, if your home is getting run down and looks run down, your market value will be lower, and it will cost you by bringing a lower resale price if you were to sell it. When it comes to home maintenance, there's a number of areas that can have an adverse effect. These are the biggest mistakes, the most common mistakes. But the good news is that they can be remedied. These areas are: 1, forgetting about the maintenance. It just kind of slipped your mind because you're busy. 2, ignoring the maintenance that needs to be done. Like maybe it'll fix itself or just kind of go away. 3, procrastinating about maintenance. Yeah, I'll get around to it one of these days. And the other is just a basic lack of knowledge or knowing what to do and how to do it. Most of these issues can be resolved by being intentional about your home maintenance. There are a number of apps and programs and videos that can keep you on track, instructing and educating you. Sometimes, if you have a lack of knowledge about what to do, it makes sense to hire a professional and have them show you what you can do for maintenance. Maintenance will save you money by minimizing costly repairs. And I do stress hiring a professional because sometimes an inexperienced worker can miss things or just do some things incorrectly. Another common maintenance mistake is not budgeting for maintenance or repair expenses. I know it just sometimes happens that you get short of funds, but if you have a maintenance and repair in the budget, then there will be money available when needed. There are a couple of key areas to prioritize when you're maintaining your home. One area that can be a maintenance challenge is water. Now, water should stay on the outside of the home and not creep into the inside. Things like rain gutters, which if not cleaned can back up, they can overflow and run down the foundation walls. Or the water could possibly back up and penetrate under the shingles, leading to rot and maybe insect damage. Water should be directed away from the basement walls to avoid moisture seeping into the basement. And if you have a sump pump, make sure it's in working order. Remember, termites and carpenter ants, they like the damp wood because it's easier to chew. One more area to make sure that you're on top of is potential fire areas. Fire often does more damage than water, so part of maintenance is being prepared. This means having one or more multi-purpose fire extinguishers on hand and testing your smoke alarm both for battery life and doing a smoke test. Having your appliances, furnace, and hot water tank serviced can provide some assurance here. And this is also a good time to clean out the dryer vent. I'm not going to go into detail on maintenance here, as there's a ton of information available with tips on what maintenance jobs should be done and when they should be done. The main thing is to make sure that maintenance is done. Don't forget about it. Don't ignore it. Don't put it off. There's so much information available that lack of knowledge shouldn't be an excuse. And remember also that a proper budget will have funds set aside for maintenance. Well, I hope I've given you something to think about in regards to maintaining your home and your largest investment. If you'd like to see the other videos that we have coming, please click on the subscribe button and bell in order to be notified when the next video comes out. Until then, remember, life is an adventure, and I'll talk to you again soon.